The safest way to clean your smartphone, no scratches, no damage. Hey everyone! Ever wondered how dirty your phone screen actually is? Trust me, it's worse than you think. Our phones are like magnets for germs, oils, and dust from everyday use. But don't worry, cleaning it the wrong way can scratch the screen or damage those protective coatings. Today, I'm going to show you an easy and safe way to clean your phone and keep it looking brand new without causing any harm. Ready to jump in? Let's go! The hidden dangers why regular cleaning matters. So, why is this cleaning routine so important? Beyond the ick factor, all that accumulated dirt and oil can actually impact your phone's performance. Think about it: muffled speakers, a less responsive touchscreen, and even potential long-term damage to that delicate oleophobic coating that resists fingerprints. Regular cleaning isn't just about hygiene. It's about preserving your phone's functionality and lifespan. Steer clear of these cleaning catastrophes. Now, let's talk about what not to do. This is crucial. Avoid using rough materials like paper towels. They act like sandpaper on your screen, causing micro scratches over time. And please steer clear of harsh chemicals like ammonia, bleach, or alcohol-based cleaners. These can strip away those essential protective layers, leaving your screen vulnerable and dull. The gentle touch: cleaning your phone's screen the right way. The hero of our cleaning journey is the humble microfiber cloth. Its super fine fibers gently lift away smudges, fingerprints, and dust without causing any harm. For light cleaning, a dry microfiber cloth is all you need. If you're dealing with stubborn oily marks, lightly dampen a corner of the cloth with distilled water, and I repeat, never spray water directly onto your phone. Gently wipe the screen in a circular motion until it's clean and dry. Getting into the nooks and crannies: cleaning other phone parts. Don't forget the often overlooked areas. Dust and debris love to hide around the buttons, in the charging port, and within the speaker grills, potentially affecting their function. Use a soft, dry brush like a clean, unused toothbrush to gently sweep away any loose particles. For those tighter spots, a cotton swab can be helpful, but be careful not to leave any cotton fibers behind. Avoid inserting anything metallic into the ports. Giving your case some tender, loving care. Your phone case is your device's first line of defense, but it also accumulates a lot of gunk. Make it a habit to remove your case at least once a week and give it a good clean. Most plastic or silicone cases can be washed with mild soap and water. For a deeper clean, you can use a disinfectant wipe. Just ensure the case is completely dry before putting your phone back in. Level up your cleaning game: extra tips for a deeper clean. Want to take your cleaning to the next level? For those hard-to-reach spots like inside the charging port or speaker grills, a short burst of compressed air can work wonders to dislodge dust. And if you're looking for a more thorough screen cleaning, consider using a cleaning spray specifically designed for electronics. Remember, always spray it onto your microfiber cloth, never directly onto your phone. Crucial reminders for phone hygiene. Before we wrap up, here are a few vital reminders. Always power off and unplug your phone before cleaning it. Avoid cleaning your phone in extreme temperatures or high humidity, as this could potentially damage internal components. And consistency is key. Make regular cleaning a part of your routine to keep your phone looking its best and functioning smoothly. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to safely and effectively cleaning your phone. I hope these tips were helpful in keeping your device clean and protected. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Do you have any favorite phone cleaning methods? Share them in the comments below. I'm always eager to learn new tips. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and keep those screens sparkling.